please support Mountain Dew. It is a great tasting drink that will satisfy your thirst for a citrusy, beautiful tasting drink. And if you don't like it, you are crazy, because this is the drink for you, and you will like it, I can promise you. Support now, while supplies last. There's over 10 varieties of the Mountain Dew, right here. You could either get the regular original Mountain Dew, Mountain Dew Whiteout, Mountain Dew Voltage, or you could also possibly get 7 other varieties of that brand. So, if you want them, you gotta go get them. Some side effects of Mountain Dew Voltage include being very energetic, makes you really happy. It also might sometimes make your eyes look a little red, but that's okay, because otherwise this product is safe for any of your kids. Or if you have any questions, call the number on the side of the can if you have any product questions for them. So, like, if you have a problem with the ingredients or things, you call this number right here, 1-800-433-2652. So call now. If you need any help, call them. Otherwise, keep enjoying.